Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to talk to you about cleaning an LCD screen. I have an LCD screen here on my laptop, and what I'm going to use to clean it is just a very soft sort of microfiber type of cloth. It's important that this be sort of an anti-static type of cloth. You can probably pick this up at any computer store, or even some musical instrument stores sell this type of cloth. Now what you want to do first of all is do not spray anything on your screen, especially water. You don't want to spray anything on it. You want to just take your cloth and just really smoothly and carefully just wipe really easily across the surface of that screen. You don't want to put pressure. Everybody's put pressure on their screen. They've saw the little ripples that come out. Those aren't good for it. So you want to just very carefully wipe across the top of this screen, getting the dust off and any smudges from fingerprints that might be on there. That is the best way to clean your LCD screen. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to clean an LCD screen.